Chatbots and AI assistants. They are the most common use case of AI. When ChatGPT launched at the end of 2022, people wanted to build similar chatbots for their own businesses using their own company's knowledge base. We built those chatbots for a lot of clients. We built the AI assistants, customized chatbots built on RAG systems with Python integration, with LangChain. We built some pretty complex systems, and all of those systems were very useful for our customers. They were able to launch those publicly, they were able to get benefit from them, their teams were getting benefit from them. But one of the issue that we were facing again and again was every time someone wanted to get something like that built, it was really hard for us to showcase that we have done something similar like that, because most of the systems that we built were being used internally by our customers, and even if something was public, it was behind a paywall. So it was really hard for us to showcase our capability that this is something that we have done again and again, and we can do something similar for this new customer as well. So we came across an idea. We said we are an agency and we have a huge knowledge base of our own as well. We have our company's policies, we have our SLAs, we have our expertise, and we have a huge set of portfolio. So if any of our customers wanted to see if we can help them build their product or solve their problem, they had to communicate with our sales team or they had to communicate with me, so I can look up our list of portfolios, send them relevant portfolios, and then they can assess if they want to work with us or not. So we built a rack based system and we named it Ask RipeSeed. Now Ask RipeSeed's purpose was to serve the end customers and to serve our sales team as well. So let's say if some customer lands on our website and they want to see if we can help them build AI based Chrome extensions. So they would either have to get in touch with one of our sales representatives or they can just interact with a chatbot. So the purpose of Ask RipeSeed was to serve our customers and our sales representative as well. How? So our customers can just go to our website. They can either look up our list of portfolios, the projects we have worked on, or they can simply talk to our AI assistant. They can ask that they are looking for a web-based SaaS that is powered by AI, right? So they can just enter this kind of query into the chatbot, and the chatbot will return the list of all the projects we have worked with the similar tech stack that are web-based, that are SaaS, and that have AI in them. So chatbot takes care of all of it, and it's very easy. The RAG system first does a similarity search in our existing knowledge base, and then the context that is extracted from the knowledge base is then passed on to LLMs, which can then be returned to the user in a detailed human-like response. And when we launched Ask RipeSeed, we posted about it on LinkedIn, and people gave us huge response. The post went viral, everyone was talking about it, a lot of people commented on the post. So the very next day we posted about it once again from one of our team members profile, and then the day after that we posted about it once again from our page profile. And all of these kind of posts created kind of user generated content marketing, and this really helped with the initial traction. This really helped with the initial boost to the project. So just like our customers were getting benefit from this chatbot, our own sales team was getting benefit from it as well. So whenever they were talking to some of the customer and they could not figure out right at the moment that if we have worked on something similar, they could just ask the chatbot and the chatbot would respond that, okay, if the customer is looking for these particular skill set, then we have these exact projects that we have worked on and they match that skill set. So Ask Typeseed solved both of our problems. And when we open sourced it, we posted about it once again on LinkedIn, and we received some amazing response from the developer community and from the AI community. Why? Because they were already aware that Ask Typeseed exists. And then they realized that it's open source now, which means they could use it themselves for their customers. They could customize it, they could attach their own knowledge base. So they totally understood that in this tool, which is already live in production by an existing company, is open source, which can be used for their own benefit now. And then we posted about it a couple of times from our team's profile as well. And that is how we gained some initial traction on the public repo of Ask Typeseed. And this is why we have some 40 plus stars on the repo right now, and we are constantly improving it. And soon after, we started getting the actual monetary benefit from the launch of Ask Typeseed as well. We started demoing Ask Typeseed to most of our customers whenever they were looking for something similar, whenever they were looking for some AI based integration or any AI assistant. And then we started closing clients based on Ask Typeseed. We closed the first client and they asked for something exactly like this with their own knowledge base. And that was the purpose of Ask RipeSeed as well. If someone needed something very, very similar, we shouldn't reinvent the wheel again and again. Then soon after, we got an even bigger customer based on Ask RipeSeed. Now that customer was looking for something more than that. Demoing Ask RipeSeed to them in the meeting gave them the confidence that we can help solve their problem. And the version of the customized version of Ask RipeSeed that we have built for them for their business is even more supercharged, is even more superpowered than what you see on our Stripe sheet right now. That version has the capability to improve the answers as well. That version has the capability to look through all of your call logs, all of your conversations that your sales is having with your customers, and then learn from the knowledge of your existing sales representatives as well. So the AI assistant can respond in an even better way. Even though it was an internal launch, even though it was open source, so apparently it doesn't look like it's going to benefit us much, but it did. We were able to close multiple clients with it, and even right now, even to this day, we are making more improvements into Ask Typeseed, and that was the main purpose. That whenever there is something new in AI, we can just integrate that into Ask Typeseed and use that as a showcase of our expertise. And this is what we recently did. DeepSeek launched their own AI model, and their model was way cheaper than OpenAI, and their model was able to give very, very good answers for a lot of use cases. In case you want to reduce hallucinations a lot, then you should definitely go for OpenAI. If your system can be improved with just a good RAG system, then you can just rely on DeepSeek. And that is what we did. Recently, we integrated DeepSeek into Ask Typeseed, and now you can just go to Ask Typeseed and switch the model and change the model from OpenAI to DeepSeek. And right now, we are working on an even bigger upgrade to Ask Typeseed. And with that upgrade, you should be able to customize the interface of the chatbot. You should be able to upload your own knowledge base. I won't spoil it much, but it's very much about to launch in hopefully the next few weeks. So stay tuned on the Ask Seed open source repo and our LinkedIn pages as well. So just to wrap up, this was the reason we launched Ask Seed, and this is we have been able to benefit from it. Even though it seems like apparently it's just a free tool, why are we burning our open AI credits on it? Why are we giving it out publicly when we have spent 2 to 3 months building it? I mean, building a system like this can cost you around $10,000, but what we have already built, our speed of delivery of something very, very similar has reduced a lot and can be delivered in way cheaper price. And it's public. So if you want to just clone it and resell it to some other customer, feel free to do it. We do not have any restrictions in the licenses. And in case you are not able to use it yourself, reach out to us. We can help you with that. My name is Hashir Baig. I'm a software engineer turned founder. I have a team of engineers and designers. And if you're looking to work on your AI project with us, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. If you have any suggestions on how we can improve these videos, drop your suggestions in the comments down below or drop me your suggestions on LinkedIn. And I'll be happy to work on those suggestions so we can improve the quality of those videos. Thank you.